Hello everyone. In this video, I'll briefly take you through the journey elements of Digital Adoption Platform or DAP playbook. A major chunk of the playbook, of course, is dedicated to taking you on a step-by-step journey of starting with DAP and scaling up programmatically across the enterprise. There are five distinct steps to this journey, beginning with analyzing the current state of affairs in your organization with respect to DAP or your current maturity levels, then creating a business case for your desired end state with DAP. This covers multiple aspects, including selecting and prioritizing the right applications, processes, etc., for DAP overlay. As part of the third step, based on the desired end state or outcome, the playbook will also guide you on how to create the right capabilities for achieving those outcomes. And this can stretch anywhere from selecting the right DAP for your situation to building the appropriate walkthroughs, skill sets, and org structures. The next step would be determining the journey sequence and the path you want to take on your DAP adoption journey. Apart from the start point and end point, the ideal path will also be influenced by specific organizational dynamics, such as whether you are a centrally run organization or have a more federated structure, whether the organization is more or less tech oriented. These are what we call environmental determinants, and they come into play a fair bit in these decisions. Once you choose the path, then it of course becomes about execution, and we will walk you through that as well in the playbook. For all of these steps, the playbook contains supporting frameworks, models, tools, and accelerators such as the Pinnacle framework, the capability maturity model, prioritization frameworks, and various business case considerations, and so on. All these put together make for very practical directions and advice for any enterprise considering or looking to maximize DAP leverage. I encourage you to read the playbook and reach out to us if you have any questions.